Are we going to the house line at 1.7 miles?
I mean, we kind of have to bail at the same time, you know? Like, if one of us is going to bail, they can't fly back and block the RF, you know?
No, that's not going to happen. Well, my GoPro's dying, so we got to go.
Alright, go for it.
Get DVR. Pretty much just going to go straight out.
Alright.
We can swap positions.
Oh, why does my video look like shit?
I'm just holding that there. My hands are so cold. And maybe on the way back we can swap positions.
My video's
Is it bad?
It's just dark.
Breaking? Behind me? Alright, I'm hands off right now. So I'm trying. This quad is flying so good.
It's hard because the prop wash like changes my trajectory.
Oh, are you that close?
Well,
you can go to the side. If you go left and then look right, it'll look pretty cool. Because the sun's on the left. I'm straight out. 30 seconds from the first tree line.
I think I need to turn around.
Okay. Is it video? Just.
Yeah, it's just black and white now. This VTX might be messed
I wonder if I'm stopping.
I'm gonna turn around. Do you want to try and follow me?
I'm gonna go for the. Try and get 2 miles.
I guess I can come in and unplug right away.
VTX. Still a good day. I'm still literally hands off. It could be fine. I don't want 200. You're on 200, right?
I guess we are.
I'm almost at the 1.5 mile. I'm gonna try to go for 2. The mountain's probably almost 3 or 4. Yeah, it's pretty bad video.
I'm gonna take it to the field to our left to try to stay.
I'm at
here.
1.6 miles right now, according to Google. 3.6 volts though. I might not make it back. I'm almost to the house line. This is 1.65. I really want 2, and I'm not going to make it back. We have a slight wind coming back though. I don't want to be over these houses. Okay, I'm past the houses. I'm probably at about 2 miles right now. The video. Oh no.
Turning around?
Yeah, I'm making a slow turn. Video's terrible. It's back now. 3.5 volts though. Current meter's not working. I don't know where I am. I think I need to go left a little straight here. GoPro's probably dead by now.
I'm just flying back out along the road,
Yeah.
just so I don't like step on your video.
I'm on my way back. 21 volts. 3 minutes flight time. I go to the side a little. Videos break up. It was pretty good though at 2 miles. It's just once I turned.
I don't know if it's my goggle battery or if it's my Clearview battery, or if it's probably just the VTX.
That's the one dude's second time.
It's still 3.5 volts. It's holding well.
Oh wow. Huh. Yeah, that's probably, I can't imagine. Unless I'm on the wrong channel, I'm like...
F5, right? Or R1 268. Almost back, almost to the road. Yeah, I'll make it. I'm still at 3.5. Wow. I didn't like being on this house at the end, but that was probably 2 miles.
Jealous.
3.4. Yeah, it's dropping right now, my battery. Literally just barely made it. I should have HV'd. was just such a hard landing.
Both just plop down. Damn, I don't know why my video's so bad.
Tim, I think I made 2 miles. I'm trying to stay to your right. Oh, the sun, that looks dope.
My video's still perfect.
Oh my god, dude, I'm right under you. You can see the sun as well.
Nice.
Oh, I hope the GoPro's on. Try to get the left of you.
My voltage.
I know, it stays right
Dude, I can't believe I armed that drone in the shed. Fucked up all those props.
But you were flying.
It was against something.
So, yeah. Oh.